For decades, software has been fundamentally deterministic. You give it an input, it produces an output. Even when systems became more complex, they remained fundamentally bounded by rules, logic, and predefined workflows. Agentic AI systems break the model. We are now moving from software that executes instructions to systems that interpret intent, plan across multiple steps, coordinate with other systems, and execute work with partial autonomy. This is not a feature upgrade. It is a structural change in how computation operates inside organizations. The key distinction is agency. An agent is not just a tool that responds. It is a system that pursues objectives. It evaluates context, selects strategies, adapts behavior, and interacts with other agents to achieve outcomes. This creates extraordinary productivity gains. Work that once required entire teams can now be decomposed into coordinated agent swarms. Specialized systems handle planning, execution, verification, monitoring, and optimization in parallel. But this same capability introduces new systemic risks. When multiple agents coordinate, errors are no longer isolated. They propagate, they reinforce one another, they become system-wide behaviors rather than individual mistakes. A single incorrect assumption can cascade through an entire workflow if it is not independently challenged. This is why traditional thinking about AI safety is insufficient. Guardrails alone cannot manage dynamic, multi-agent environments. Static rules cannot anticipate evolving context. Isolated controls cannot govern system-level behavior. The real shift is not just technological. It is architectural and organizational. At the center is a governance architecture sometimes described as an agentic dome. Inside the dome, agents operate freely. They reason, plan, and act. They do so within a structured environment that continuously defines identity, authority, policy, context, risk, and accountability. Enterprises must now design systems where autonomy is expected, but bounded. Where agents are free to act, but within governed constraints. Where intelligence is not just powerful, but observable and accountable. This marks the beginning of a new enterprise model, the transition from software systems to autonomous systems, and from automation to controlled autonomy.